Now let us discuss number 3, legal aid under criminal law and the offences of public interest under penal law. Section 304 of CRPC says that an accused not having sufficient means of money to engage a pleader, the court shall assign a pleader for his defense at the expense of the state. Legal aid may be provided in offences in which public interest is involved under Indian Penal Code. Section 374, unlawful compulsory labor. Section 268, public nuisance. Section 269, negligent act likely to spread infection of disease dangerous to life. Section 270, malignant act likely to spread infection of disease dangerous to life. Section 278, making atmosphere noxious to health. Now, unlawful compulsory labor. How will it be possible? Unlawful compulsory labor actually is unlawful. You cannot employ anybody unlawfully as a labor. If it is done, anybody on his behalf, because he is a poor person, can file a suit, and that will be like PIL, public interest litigation. If under 268 anybody commits public nuisance, so free legal aid, public nuisance because of which the poor people are suffering, then he or she can be given legal aid to pursue a case in the proper court of law. Negligent act likely to spread infection of disease dangerous to life. So malignant act likely to spread infection of disease dangerous to life. Section 278, making atmosphere noxious to health. So under these provisions under these sections, if such crimes are committed over a poor person, or sections of the poor person who are unable to support themselves legally because of the want of money or because of ignorance, then the government is under compulsion, the state government is under compulsion to help this person with a pleader or with pleaders. Number 4, rules relating to legal aid framed by the central government and the Bar Council of India. So I have noted down here as point-wise. I am not putting all the details of it, but some very important points I have included. Rules relating to legal aid framed by the central government and the Bar Council of India. It is desirable that every professional college of law should have a legal aid clinic at the law college building. Number 2, the management of the clinic shall be vested in a managing committee which shall consist of the following members: President, Chairman, Vice Chairman, 3 general members, 1 executive director, 2 or more associate directors, 2 students of the final year LLM students to be nominated by the chairman, 2 persons of the local community, including the media persons and social workers. Mind it, note it, social workers to be nominated by the chairman. Now I repeat again, the management of the clinic shall be vested. The clinic should be in the center of the, within the campus of a law college, professional law college. And it must be consisting of the following members: president, chairman, vice chairman, 3 members, 1 executive director, 2 or more associate directors, 2 students of the final year LLM students to be nominated by the chairman, 2 persons of the local community, including the media persons and social workers to be nominated by the chairman. Now, what is the eligibility for free legal aid? The managing committee may adopt with appropriate modifications criteria fixed by the state legal aid board for the free legal aid to be given by the clinic. So, there is, in every state, there is a state legal aid branch and aid board, state legal aid board. You may be asked a short question: what is the name of the state legal board which gives legal assistance? The name of the board is State Legal Aid Board, and this State Legal Aid Board frames certain rules for the functioning of the system of free legal aid. But the committee in the clinic, they may adopt or they may form some appropriate modifications, criteria fixed by the State Legal Aid Board for the free legal aid to be given by the clinic. The State Legal Aid Board from time to time makes certain appropriate modifications, or sometimes they modify the criteria. So it is very necessary to observe the observed modifications fixed by the State Legal Aid Board. Now let us discuss briefly the problems of free legal aid. As observed, I have written in the first part that as observed by the Supreme Court, the most of the states in the country have not taken note of the procedure of the judicial construction of Article 21 and provided free legal services to a person accused of an offense. You see, it is a very negative part on the part of the state, not providing free legal service to the poor, even through the procedure of judicial construction of Article 21. Because under judicial construction of Article 21, the Supreme Court has made that it is a fundamental right of an accused to have free access to the legal system. Number 2, the Honorable Supreme Court disregards of the decision of the highest court of the land by many of the states, despite the constitutional declaration in Article 141 of the Constitution that the law declared by this court shall be binding throughout the territory of India. The state actually forgets at times that the law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding throughout the territory of India under Article 141. Third point, though the provisions for the legal aid for the poor are there, poor people are not aware of these. So these people need to be educated regarding the availability of the system of legal aid. So students, I end here, and I want to tell you that after this video presentation, I will be uploading some notes in the WhatsApp group, and you copy those notes. You come to the Google Classroom at 1:15, then for the remaining period you write down the notes I will be giving through WhatsApp. Thank you.